So, at a really simplistic level, cryptocurrency was built to give freedom back to the people, back to you and me. And they do that through a few different mechanisms. Short, I think everybody's very aware that right now you have someone like Jerome Powell that's not an elected official who is in charge of the Federal Reserve, in charge of how much money is printed or not printed. And then you have people like Nancy Pelosi that have a $200,000 a year salary as a politician, but magically she's the best trader in the history of the world and is worth tens of millions of dollars today. Well, like that's not by luck, and it's certainly not by skill. It's just by being closer to the information than the rest of us. And she can use the policies that they create in the government to send money from Jerome Powell to her and her buddies. It's a rigged system. It absolutely is. And so that's where cryptocurrency comes in. It comes in to be able to give, once again, freedom and power back to normal people.